Hi everyone, I'm the Plant Propagator and welcome to my channel. Today, it's a nice day weather-wise, but it's a really sad day for me. What's happening today, if you can hear the background noise, you can hear the sawing and grinding and all this stuff. What's happening is the county is coming down the street and removing trees that are in the way for a road improvement project that is occurring on my street here. So unfortunately what's going to happen is my date palm right there has a pink X on it and it's scheduled to be taken down, and they're moving pretty quickly, and there's a big crew behind it. So what I'm going to do, it's a little weird and hopefully I won't cry through it, but what I'm going to do is record this tree and the tree removal. I'll speed it up. I don't know how long it's going to last. I don't know how this is going to go. I don't know if they're going to get angry at me for watching them do this and for recording this, but we'll just see how it goes. I grew this tree from a seed from my neighbor's tree across the street, and it's a female date palm. It makes a bit of a mess. I've got the replacement tree growing in the backyard. I'm having it tested. But anyway, I don't want to belabor this. This tree's coming down. The replacement tree is being selected, and we'll go from there. Okay, so I'm going to get out of the way, and hopefully I'll be able to record removal of this tree. Should be interesting, should be sad. Okay, well, that was sad and didn't take very long. You know, I guess I'm not that sad about it because I learned quite a while ago that they were going to take this down. I had a couple of people from the Road Improvement Project that came to visit me, and they tried to calm me down, and I think they were pretty successful with that. But I've known it's been coming a long time. I've removed the orchids from the tree that used to be there, but let's take a look. I mean, you know, that's it. That's what's left of my tree. I don't think I want to use this for any kind of potting mix. Looks like it might be good, but I'm just not going there. So that's all that's left of the tree. Well, no, that's not quite. Let me show you something. So these guys, they were pretty good, and they worked with me. I asked them if I could record the video of this, and they asked me to plug in my YouTube channel on their phone, and I think they're gonna watch it. So they did just a really good job, very professional. You saw it didn't take very long, and I don't think I'm gonna need to slow it down that much speed it up. I'm not gonna have to speed it up that much when I share it with you. But they were very professional. They went through it very quickly, cleaned it up. I mean, the roads are pretty clear. They took care of everything, and they were very, just really considerate. One of the things that I do want to show you that they did is I had one orchid that I just couldn't get off that tree. It was rooted so tightly. I didn't care for it that much, so it was on the tree, and I didn't take it off. And the first guy that came over, he looked at the orchid, the dendrobium, and I'm sure it's what I'm showing you right here is the dendrobium, that I was on the front lanai watching him, and he very carefully cut it out, pulled it out, and turned around to where I was and motioned for me to come over and gave it to me. So that was just really nice of him. So I guess I have this part of the tree that's left over, and the plants, the tree that I'm going to replace it with, it actually is a progeny tree that I'm growing from seed from the female date palm that was removed. So I'm kind of maintaining, you know, the legacy of the initial date palm. So again, this is a male date palm. This is a brother of the tree that was taken down, and so I've got orchids mounted on this, and as you can see, there's still equipment going up and down the street, but as you can see, the orchids on this tree are still doing well. One thing I do want to show you is I have an oncidium that's been on this tree for the longest time, and it hasn't done anything, but it finally has a new leaf coming out of it. Anyway, don't want to take away too much from my the date palm story and the sadness of losing my tree, but you know, you got to think positive. So I still have another tree. I still have orchids, and she will be replaced. So, and there's nothing you can do about it, since they had a legal right to come in here and take that down to access the area underneath the tree to put in the new water and sewer lines and everything like that. Okay, that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you want, it would help me out if you could click on like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subscriber. Okay, again, that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed my video, and happy propagating.